Yes, can you tell me till which question we have done?
Sir, we have done exercise 10.1 question 9. We will be starting question number.
Question 9.
So question 10 we have to do.
Yes, sir. We have done till question number 9.
Sir, we have to do question number 10.
Okay, question 10 we have to do. Okay. How many students have joined? Okay, just
Sir,
start.
9 students.
The board is clearly visible. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, question number 10. Question 10 of exercise 10A. Find the number whose 6 whole 1 upon 4% is 2. This is your exercise 10A. It is written in the question that find the number whose 6 whole 1 upon 4% is 2. So first of all, let the number be x. Now it is given that 6 whole 1 upon 4% of the number is 2. So equation is pretty similar to the one which was there in question number 9. Same type of equation, same equation. 6 whole 1 upon 4% of a number of x is equal to 2. Okay. solve it. 4 into 6, 25 upon 2, sorry, 25 upon 4. Percent मतलब divided by 100 of मतलब multiplied by x is equal to 2. Okay. Now do the reciprocal and instead of divide you write multiply. 25 upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon 100 into x is equal to 2. So this is 1 upon 16 into x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 into 16. That means x is equal to 32.
32.
Okay.
Sir,
Got it?
done. Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Good.
Sir, done.
Next question. Question 11. What amount is 10% more than rupees 90? So you have to increase 90 rupees by 10%. Okay. How do you give increment in a certain amount? What amount is 10% more than rupees 90? So how do you increase any number by 10%? आपको इसका मतलब करना क्या है? आपको 90 रुपीज में 10% और इंक्रीज करना है. तो परसेंटेज में इंक्रीज कैसे करते हैं? रुपीज 90 में मुझे 10% और ऐड करना है, बट आई नेवर ऐड only percentage in a number. This is wrong. What is the correct method of increasing anything by 10%? अगर किसी चीज में मुझे 10% और ऐड करना है, तो I add
10% of 90.
Yes, 10% of the number.
90.
If a number is increased by 10%, then you add 10% of the number. That means 10% of 90. Okay. Now this becomes 90 plus 10 upon 100 of मतलब multiply by 90. Okay. दोनों zeros काट दीजिए. क्या बचा? 9. So 90 plus 9 is equals to rupees 99. This is your answer. Got it? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, please explain it one more time.
Okay. Just wait.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
See, how do you, whenever a number is increased by 10% or decreased by something, तो उसमें कैसे 10% आप ऐड करते हैं? आप केवल
Sir, done 12 hours.
करते हैं, आप यू जिस भी चीज में, फॉर एग्जांपल आप 90 रुपीज में 10% और ऐड कर रहे हैं, सो यू ऐड 10% ऑफ 90. खाली 10% ऐड नहीं होता है, इट्स ऑलवेज 10% ऑफ समथिंग. ओके, तो यहाँ पे 90 में ऐड कर रहे हैं 10%, तो यू विल ऐड 90 plus 10% of 90. दिस इज हाउ यू ऐड समथिंग, इंक्रीज समथिंग बाय अ सर्टेन परसेंट. ओके, अब माइनस करेंगे तो भी ऐसे ही करेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, similar type of question.
Sir, done. After 48.
See this question 12, you will understand how do you decrease any number by a certain percentage. How, sorry, what amount is 20% less than rupees 60? रुपीज 60 को 20% से डिक्रीज करना है, तो रुपीज 60
Minus 20
माइनस 20% डिक्रीज
percentage
करना है,
of
माइनस 20% ऑफ 60, ऐसे करके माइनस करना है.
60.
तो रुपीज 60 में 20% लेस करना था, तो रुपीज 60 माइनस 20% ऑफ रुपीज 60. ओके, तो 60 माइनस 20 अपॉन 100 ऑफ मतलब मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 60. ये दो जीरो काट दीजिए.
So answer 48.
60 minus 12 is equals to rupees 48. Clear?
Yes, sir. So done.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Okay, next question. Question 13. If 3% of x is 9, find the value of x. 3% of x is 9.
So answer 300.
Clear equation, very simple equation.
So just write question 9 and 10.
3% of x is 9. Simply just make an equation. It is a very simple equation to make. डायरेक्टली वहां पे लिखा हुआ है 3% ऑफ x is 9, इसका मतलब इक्वल टू, तो 3 अपॉन 100 into x is equal to 9. Okay, so x is equal to 9 into 100 upon 3, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया, the answer is 300. Okay. Got it? Do the 14th one, all of you. Do it on your own. Question 14. Done question 14.
No, sir.
Do it.
So done. Sir, answer is 48.
Yes, 48 is the correct answer.
Sir, first I have taken 2.5 instead of 12.5.
Have you all got the answer? 48 is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Question number 15. What percent of 84 is 14? So x मान लीजिए, let it be x.
Write the number here.
let the percentage be x. What percent of 84? That means x percent of 84. What जहां पर है वहां पे आप x लगा देंगे. ठीक है, what percent यानी कि x percent. What percent of 84 is 14.
14.
Clear? Equation is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So x upon 100 into 84 is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 into 100 upon 84. So 14 6 are 84. तो काट दो, यहाँ 3 आ जाएगा, 50 आ जाएगा, 50 upon 3%. You can also change it in mixed fraction. Mixed fraction में भी change करके आप आंसर लिख सकते हैं. Got it? Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Sir, done.
Question 16. So there are many parts in question 16. We will just do 2 or 3. First part, आपको ₹5 ₹120 का कितना परसेंट होता है ये निकालना है. ₹15 सॉरी, ₹15 is what percent of ₹120? Okay, ये है क्वेश्चन. ₹15 is what percent of ₹120? तो ₹15 कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? इजी मेथड ये है, ₹15 डिवाइडेड बाय ₹120 into 100 परसेंटेज निकल जाएगी. ओके, तो इसको काटेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 1/8 into 100. एट से इसको काट दीजिए तो ये आएगा आपका 25/2%. आंसर. So in all the parts you have to do the same thing. Question number 16, second part. Have you all done this? Done?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Second part. Sorry, not rupees. 36 minutes is what percent of 2 hours? 36 minutes 2 hours के कितने परसेंट होते हैं? 36 minutes divided by 2 hours into 100%. अब आप ये ऐसे डायरेक्टली काट नहीं सकते. Why?
So we will convert hours into minutes.
Because आपको यहाँ पर यूनिट्स दोनों जगह सेम करनी है. यहाँ पर मिनट्स है, यहाँ पे आवर्स है. सेम यूनिट करिए. 36 minutes upon 120 minutes.
120
जी. 2 hours का मतलब क्या होता है? 120.
multiply by
Now you can simplify. ये 0 काट दिया मैंने. यहाँ पर 12 को काट दिया. ये 36 को काट के 3 लिख दिया. तो 3 into 10. 30%.
30. Sure, done.
Got it?
Yes, sir, done.
Do the third part also in the same way. How many hours are there in one day? एक दिन में कितने hours होते हैं?
24.
24 hours.
तो 2 days में कितने होंगे?
48.
2 multiplied by
48.
24, which is equal to 48.
24
Yes.
multiplied by
48.
Do the third one.
So done. Answer 50 upon 3.
Very good.
So we have to do all the questions.
Better do the fourth part also.
Okay, sir. So answer is 4%.
हाँ बेटा.
So fourth answer is 4%.
Okay.
So then fifth one also.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Okay. Who has done all the parts?
Sorry.
Very good.
So sixth one is 25.
Sir,
upon 4.
last is one is left.
Okay. Check your answers from the book.
So checking. Just checked.
Very good. Have you all done the all the parts?
Yes, sir.
Completed all the parts? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's start with the next exercise.
So only 3 minutes are left.
No problem. We can do one question.
Okay, sir.
Exercise can be Rupesh secured 495 marks out of 750 in annual examination. What is find the percentage of marks obtained by him? तो percentage of marks आपको निकालनी है. Very simple question. कितने मार्क्स आए हैं रुपेश के?
Sir, 495.
He has scored 495 marks out of 750. 495 out of 750. इसको fraction में कैसे लिखेंगे? 495 upon
Sir,
750.
multiple 100.
Okay. Now you change it into percentage, multiplied by 100 and percent लगा दीजिए. बस simple काम है.
Yes.
Now simplify this. 25 से काटो इसको, 5 से काट लेते हैं. तो 5 से काट के ये बचेगा आपका
Sir, 15.
एंड यहाँ पर बचा 2.
2.
तो 15 से काट दो 1, I think 33. So 66% is the answer.
So in exam, can we directly write answer or we have to write statement also?
Better write these statements also.
Okay, sir.